What's up? This is Theo here. Welcome back to Free Code Camp JavaScript Algorithms and Data Structures here on Regex. Lesson 4, starting off with matching ending string patterns. The way we do this is with the $sign character at the end of the regex. Use the anchor character to match the string caboose at the end of the string caboose. Okay, so what we're going to do basically is just write our desired string right here. And then we're going to just say something like this. Go ahead and run that. Good to go. Cool. Number 2, match all letters and numbers. So basically, we're going to do this: A to Z, uppercase, A to Z, lowercase, and all letters and numbers. And then the character class also includes the underscore, so then we need to match that. So basically, we're just going to pop this regex in here. Go ahead and run that. And let's see what we were missing. Must include the global flag. There we go. Let's go ahead and run that. W to count the number of characters. Oh, I think we can just use, that's the longhand, so let me just use the shorthand. W plus. Okay, and then do I need, I think that should be it, right? Oh, right, I need to do that, which is going to match everything. Let me just reset this and do it with this. Let me run that one more time. Let me get a hint and see what the answer is. Oh, we need the length. That's why. Oh, wait. WGI. Okay, so we need WGI, case insensitive, and then let me see. I guess we don't need that plus probably. Okay, let's go ahead and run this. Cool. Number 3, match everything but letters and numbers. So what we're going to go ahead and do is count the number of non-numeric characters, and then here we're going to do GI, run this, good to go, match all numbers, use the shorthand character class D to count how many digits are in the movie title. So what we're going to do is just match D like that, and again we need GI, run that, good to go, and finally, let me make sure real quick, we are on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, match all non-numbers, so this will be D to count how many non-digits. So basically we have this, this will be backslash D, and then we need global and case insensitive flag. Cool. There we go. That's it guys for lesson 4. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Go check out the links as well in the description for courses on React and JavaScript on Udemy. Go check them out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.